Hi everyone, my name's Cameron. I'm one of the guides of MAPS, which is the Mass Astral Projection Sessions. This is going to be just an introductory video to my channel really. This channel is primarily going to be for the spiritual material, whether it be guided practices or just my ramblings, you know. I don't actually have any plans for this video actually. I'm just doing this on the spot. So, where I am currently is, it's a pine plantation, about 35-minute drive from my house. I came here because it's really peaceful here. Like, you can still hear the traffic, but not many people come over here, so you'll hear a car like once every 4 minutes or so. Plus, I really like pine trees. They smell really nice. And as far as I'm aware, this is the closest pine plantation to where I live, so I don't know if you can hear the birds. Sometimes it's good to remain silent, like both externally and in your head as well. Because those external and internal noises that you make, they stop you from hearing all the beauty that exists in nature. Nature is perfection. Every bird has its own unique melody. Every bird has its own spirit, its own consciousness, just like we do. So just as we like to hear other people talk and express their point of view, is it not also good to listen to what other consciousnesses have to say that are in different species, different animals, and different plants? There's practically no wind right now, but I love the noise pine trees make when the wind blows through them. So it's really good to stay silent when you're alone in nature. Not only does this allow you to perceive the true beauty of nature, but you also get a greater sense of the whole energy of the place this way. Why is it that people cause so much harm to these beautiful places. I can see the occasional piece of rubbish on the ground. What is it within people that causes this lack of love to these places? Like, how can you not see this beauty and want to keep it this way? People should at least try to just take a step back and look at everything around them. Look at the magic. Sense the love emanating from everything. Every single plant. I mean, for example, this tree right here. It's amazing to think that something this complex, so beautiful, started from just one tiny seed. Nothing man-made could create this. Yet, humanity in general is too attached to man-made things and completely forgetting about the natural things that have been with us since the beginning.